Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy Searock, co-founder of Advanced Construction Robotics, and welcome to our Quadcast. We are really living in exciting times right now with robot and artificial intelligence companies coming to market every day. And at the same time, the construction industry is seeing growth and opportunity like it has never seen before. So I thought let's bring tech, robots, and construction together and talk about those topics. So let's get to work. So we at Advanced Construction Robotics have been thinking lately, with all the press surrounding the infrastructure bill, the recent collapse of a bridge here in Pittsburgh, the Fern Hollow Bridge, that we're certainly excited that there's new money available to decrease the risk and fix America's infrastructure. But we really should think about how we're actually going to execute that. Certainly this is going to create a lot of new jobs, which is awesome. But if you think about it, the construction industry has had a labor shortage for a very, very long time. That's not new. It's fairly common knowledge within the construction industry. And I think it's really nationwide knowledge now that there's just a labor shortage. You can't even get enough people to work at restaurants and to keep the normal operations of America going. So how are we going to actually decrease the risk and fix the infrastructure? Because there's simply not enough people. But as a roboticist, that really excites me. So there's really great opportunity for us to think about how can new technology make the industry more productive. And I certainly think robots is the answer. You can agree or disagree, and you can comment in the comments below on whether you agree with me or not. But it's a true fact that a robot working with a person, if designed correctly, can do the work of a crew. And let's be clear, we're not planning to take jobs. There's simply not enough people in the industry today to meet the current demand. And with the increased demand from the infrastructure bill, there's just not enough people to get the job done. And I think that's a concern. We really need the infrastructure to be built. We really want to be built quickly. And I think technology can help. So here's the question for you. What do you think are ways in which we can bring more workers to construction to really get all the work done? Thanks everybody for listening. And if you want more information, go to constructionrobots.com and don't forget to subscribe.